Welcome to a journey through the Thousand Islands, a place where the wonders of nature and history come together to create a stunning tapestry and a peaceful escape. The Thousand Islands are nestled in the St. Lawrence River, stretching along the border of the United States and Canada. While they are not actually 1,000 in number, there are over 1,800 islands ranging in different sizes. Our journey begins with the largest of the Thousand Islands, Wolf Island. The Thousand Islands are a result of geological history. Over 10,000 years ago, the last ice age carved these islands as the glaciers retreated, leaving behind a rugged landscape. The islands vary greatly in size and shape, from tree-covered heavens to merry rocky outcrops. Each has its own character, and they are heaven for wildlife and nature enthusiasts. As we cruise along, take in the panoramic view of these islands. Navigating through these islands, you will encounter the narrow channels, lush green landscapes, some expensive private islands on Earth. Do you know, each island in the Thousand Islands has a story to tell. Some are privately owned, while others are a part of the national park system. And some have charming cottages that capture the essence of island living. Fishing in the Thousand Islands is legendary. The river offers countless opportunities for different varieties of water sports. Thousand Islands are a remarkable example of how natural forces shape our world. To wrap up this journey through the breathtaking Thousand Islands, I want to remind you that our adventure is far from over. This video is not yet the end. In our next episode, we will take you along with us as we continue our cruise, navigating the Thousand Islands and sharing our unforgettable experiences. From hidden gems to unique encounters, there's so much more to discover. So don't touch that dial. Stay tuned for the next episode as we dive deeper into this incredible destination. You won't want to miss it. If you have enjoyed our journey today, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a like to show your support. Thanks for joining us on this incredible adventure through the Thousand Islands. See you in the next episode. Bye.